Hello, this is Matthew Anderley from DivineDynasty.net. I am currently the owner of the server, and I would just like to show you how to get onto our Ventrilio voice server. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong, but bear with me. Anyways, what you're going to want to do is you're actually going to want to download the client. So head on over to www.divinedynasty.net, and when you go there, you'll see they have several tabs in the top. Click on Downloads. And it will keep updating, putting a whole bunch of new stuff on here. And these actually aren't supposed to be on there. Ignore that. And then what we're going to go ahead and click on is our Ventrilio voice client. And I'm using a 64-bit Windows 7. But in case if you don't know how to do that, what you want to do is you want to hit the Start key. Then you want to hit or right-click on Computer, and then Properties. And then you'll come up with this here, and this isn't accurate. There's some issues with it. Right here, 64-bit operating system. I can then close out of that, and I can download the 64-bit. Click Agree after you read it all, and then it's going to go ahead and download it. Okay, now we're going to install it, so we just double click on it, get this little nice window. We're going to click in yes. Okay, so we're going to next, and I'm going to read this. Ventrilio clients of such damage. Okay, I just read the whole thing from top to bottom. Next. Okay, now it's updating my system. Close out of this. Go back, and then we're also going to need this information here too, which I know by heart. It's not rocket science or whatever it is that you kids call it these days. Okay, so now we're going to open up Ventrilio. Okay, and we're going to have to create a username. So pull that over there, and we're going to click on the arrow box, click on New, and put this to your in-game Minecraft name. So mine is Matthew Enderley, and then I'm also going to put that to it, and I'll just copy, okay, and then we're going to click on username, and we're going to select it, server, we're going to click that button there too, new, DivineDynasty.net. We're going to copy that, then we're going to paste that into the host name or IP, and we're going to do allow others to record my conversation, accept private chat requests, and that's pretty good. And then, before we even connect, we're going to do one thing. We're going to click on Setup, and we're going to make it so that we can just talk into the microphone. As default, in order to talk into the microphone and actually transmit it, you need to hold the left control key. And if you would just simply click on the hotkey area and hit X. That would make it so that you would have to hit X while you're in Minecraft to actually talk. But we're actually going to do this differently. We are going to hit this checkbox right here. Use push to talk hotkey. So we're going to uncheck that. We're going to uncheck that one. And we're going to do silence time to 0.05 and the sensitivity to 10. And what that'll do is as soon as you start talking, it'll grab your voice. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. So you just hit OK, and we're going to hit connect. Okay, and it worked. So that's how you set up Ventrilio. And if you ever want to disconnect, you just click the simple disconnect button. And if you ever want to completely leave the Ventrilio server, you have just completely left it. But if you want to get rid of it, just go into your local control panel and consult your nearest add or remove program directory. Thank you.